Using Workday Recruiting involves several steps for both candidates and recruiters. Here's a concise guide to help you navigate the process. For candidates, log in. Access your Workday using your credentials. Search for jobs. Use the search bar to find jobs by keywords, location, or department. Filter results by job type, location, and other criteria. Apply for a job. Select the job you are interested in. Click on Apply and fill out the application form. Upload your resume and any other required documents. Submit your application. Track application status. Monitor the status of your application through the My Applications section. Respond to any additional requests or tasks from the recruiter. For recruiters, log in. Access your Workday account. Create job requisitions. Navigate to the recruiting dashboard. Click Create Job Requisition. Fill in details about the position, including title, department, and qualifications. Manage job posting. Post the requisition to internal and external job boards. Use the candidate pipeline to track and manage applicants. Review applications. Access the candidate profiles. Screen resumes and conduct initial assessments. Move qualified candidates through the hiring stages. Communication. Use Workday's messaging system to communicate with candidates, schedule interviews, and send out notifications.